How to change language on the Gemini AI app. Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily change language in the Gemini AI app. So if you have been using this app and want to change to a different language, this is how you do it. Make sure to follow these simple steps till the end. First thing you need is the Google Gemini app from Google Play Store or App Store. And after you have installed it, make sure to open it and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, you can just go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. And here you will find all of your settings. So go ahead and tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. And once you open up your Gemini settings, all you need to do now is go ahead and tap on the languages option. You also have an option to change to Gemini's voice or your public links as well. But mainly you just want to head over to languages, and here are a list of other languages that you can choose from on Gemini. So you can also use a language that works with Gemini only. So these are the language that works with Gemini only. And once you have chosen the language, just make sure that you save it and go back like this, and it will ask you to switch. So just tap on switch and you're good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.